So has Cardano found a really good level of support at 35 cents? And is this enough? And I'm going to answer this question. I'm also going to tell you that I've got one thing that I want to tell you about, but I'm going to save it for a little bit further into the video. It's something having to do with an event happening next year in April and May, and the quite possible major effect it's going to have on Cardano ADA. So stick around for that. Okay. So the question on the table is are we at a support level here with Cardano at this 35 cent range? And if we take a look at the chart and we look at kind of the last 7 days, it would look like, again, we had this kind of level here, and then we've kind of had this move down. Okay. Because again, I think what I would definitely say is this is more likely a broad market move down from, say, this 36 cents. It looks like it's a massive move down, but it's really not. It's a 36 to 35 cents approximately. But again, the question on the table is this our support level? Is this where we're going to consolidate and go sideways? And that's what we're going to talk about in this article. Okay, so we did fail to hold the 41 cent crucial support. Here's what I would say, not too surprising, because quite frankly, I don't think that's a Cardano specific scenario. Remember, you've got this macro backdrop here, this macro kind of economic backdrop, and you've got the Federal Reserve, the FOMC, right here, set to meet on November 1st and 2nd, right here, set to meet on November 1st and 2nd to raise the base interest rate. They are going to raise the rate. It is going to happen. It's just a matter of how much. Most likely 75 basis points. Okay, so therein lies, in my opinion, why we didn't hold a 41 cent range. But we could be forecasted, it looks like per some TA, some technical analysis, to be going back up into the 40 cents to 41 cent range. Depending, again, we've got kind of these growing bearish scenarios playing out. Okay, so again, per some some of these TA factors. Look, the RSI is pretty low at 23.4. Oversold position, prime, and it is prime for a price uptick. Okay, so it looks like it could be something we could be looking at maybe moving up if it sustains this new support, i.e. this 35 cent, which quite frankly it should. A surge ranging from 40 cents to 41 cents will likely happen over the next few days. The key here, though, is that surge will not happen if we don't get something kind of moving in the overall broad market. Because again, let's call it what it is. You can talk about technical analysis and what's going to happen or whatever it is. Nobody foresaw this being as horrific of a year for the entire crypto market as it has been. No one was going to say that we were going to have five base interest rate raises from the Fed in relationship to rampant inflation. On another note, the UK just came out with their numbers. Their inflation numbers are now at a 40-year all-time high, exactly in line with the United States, 40-year all-time high inflation. Okay, so my point to you is technical analysis is a little bit out the window. Does Cardano have room to move up? Yes, absolutely. But my point to you is if the overall kind of landscape that it's all behind everything that's behind Bitcoin and Ethereum and Cardano being, again, a top 8 crypto, right, with a market cap of $12+ billion, if Bitcoin and Ethereum don't start moving, Cardano is not going to start moving, because there's not a catalyst right here, right now, specifically to Cardano that's like, oh yeah, that big thing is happening right now for Cardano, if that makes sense. Okay, so just making you aware of kind of the overall landscape. Okay, so the key is keep your eye on the chart. If we maintain this support level at 35 cents, because we're in this kind of bearish market, if we can maintain this support level and we get any type of positive momentum, we could be looking at a move up to back up into the 40 cent range. That's what I got for you. As always, I appreciate you. Thanks. By the way, if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. Oh, forgot that the event I was going to tell you. There you go. Almost forgot to tell you. You're like, Austin, hey, so the event I was going to tell you about in April of May of 2023, there's some very smart people that I'm paying attention to. They're saying that could begin to be the end of this inflation stuff, where we might be coming out of it, and we could start looking at a bullish market starting to begin to really dramatically start rolling in April and May of 2023. So there you go. All right, that's what I got for you. Now I'll see you later.